I am Dimple. I have been employed at Hexaware Technologies as a test analyst in SDET automation. I am responsible for test automation development, script maintenance and debugging and regression characteristics. I worked on multiple projects and consistently beat the deadline and kept my customers satisfied. Hexaware City encouraged me to acquire new skills and learn new technologies through certifications and appreciations. I would like to shift the focus from traditional superheroes to the real life ones in my life, my parents. They have always supported and enriched my growth. I believe superheroes are not created. They were already crafted in the form of parents.